Welcome to FXTrabox, everyone. Today we'll be going through creating an example, a strategy called Martingale Strategy. A Martingale Strategy is a strategy where you open a position and you continuously add an open positions or closing or sell positions, buy or sell positions for as long as it satisfies certain conditions. So in our strategy today, we'll be opening a buy position when moving average 5 is greater than moving average 20, and open a sell position when a moving average 5 is less than moving average 20. And we will add a position, or reopen, or add a buy position when the current price is 10 pips less than the last open price, or add a sell position when the current price is 10 pips higher than the last closing price. So let's get started. Visit fxtrabox.com, click on login. I have a little bit of a slow internet here today. If you haven't signed up, please sign up. It's free to create for the first 30 days. Punch in your email and a password that you created. Click on login. For time reason, I have already created a Martingale strategy, and so I'll just go through them, explain to you how we have created the Martingale strategy one at a time. So first, it will take you to an algorithm page. Scroll down to your list of existing algorithms. Click on the icon, the Martingale strategy. Click on the icon A, which will then open a map, a guideline of how this Martingale strategy looks like. So on the top, you have the algorithm. On the bottom S, this stands for signals. So as you can see, as I said, we will open a strategy when moving average 5 is greater than moving average 20, and we will reopen a buy position when the current price is 10 pips less than the last order price, and likewise. And underneath the signal, you have different conditions. And we'll scroll to the right, and then you will see different actions we have created. We will open a Martingale strategy using a Martingale strategy, but we will also close all the positions with take profit of $30 and stop loss of $500. Okay. All right. Let's get started. Let's go to first the comparison conditions. So we're here. You can also go directly to this page by still loading. I have a very slow internet today. All right, so let's start with open with MA moving average greater than 20. So click on the view, which will populate the page. So as you can see, you can call it MA greater than MA20 when moving average 5 is greater than the moving average 20. Go to indicators, click on the indicator, search for the moving average right here. As soon as you do that, it should ask you to fill in the period. Fill in the period 5, confirm, select greater. Then here again, you'll be looking for the MA. Then you'll be asked to choose for the period, plug in 20, confirm. That's it, guys. This basically, you just create a comparison condition for MA5 greater than MA20. Click on edit, which saves the current condition. We also wanted to create, for the Martingale strategy, we wanted to create a open if there's 5 pips, 10 pips less than the last buy order price. So let's look at this one. View. Alright, so name it as you want. Basically what this comparison condition does is it reopens a position if the current price is 10 pips less than the last order price. So to do that, you have to create a logic, a comparison logic, where the last close price is less than 10 pips. Very simple, but let's do that. So last close price is less than the open position. Well, you're gonna have to go after the open position by last order. So this is the imagine this is the Martingale strategy, and you're in a buy position, and you want to enter another trade if the price moves 10 pips lower than the last order buy price, correct? So you want to do buy last order, open price, which should show you this. And what you want to do is put in a number here called minus 10 pip. Basically what this is saying is it reopens if the current price, current close price, right here, is, imagine you have a bar, if the last close price, current close price, is less than the last open price, buy open price, minus 10 pips. So basically this is what you want to do. And now let's go to the sell, how to sell. Okay, now this opens if the moving average 5 is less than moving average 20. Okay, so actually this should be sell. You can also actually remove. So again, similarly, we have an open position, indicator, moving average. You set that to 5. And now this time, you click on less than, moving average 20. Alright guys, that's it. You click on save, edit. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to look at the part where we want to sell, we want to add a position to a sell open trade, sell position, when the current price is 10 pips higher than the last sell open price. So again, we want to go for the close of current candle or current bar. So close, and then greater than, the closing price is greater than an open position, sell last order. You have to be careful here. Open price and plus 10 pips. You want to punch that in by typing on your keyboard plus 10 pip. Alright, so basically this is saying that you are adding a position, you are adding an order, usually a sell, for a martingale strategy if the current closing price, to be more exact, is 10 pips greater than the last sell order price. All right, you want to edit that. That's done. And now you want to go to the signal to basically bundle this comparison conditions. It's quite simple. We just, as you can see, we have 4 different signals already created here. So if you click on view, you can see that I've already selected comparison, MA graded buy open. Well, we don't know whether it's buy yet. I'm going to say open MA is if open if MA5 is greater than MA20. So let's select the one we just created. Alright, so you edit them, save them. Save and edit is the same thing. If you click on the add button, it will create entire new duplicate. So similarly, we click on the price 10 pips, and you can see that actually we don't know whether it's buy yet. So reopen if current price is 10 pips less than the last order price. And again, we're going here, selecting comparison. Once you select comparison, it will give you different comparison conditions that you have created, and we just created that. All right, edit them, and you do the same thing for the rest of 2 comparisons or signals we just created. Now let's go back to algorithms. If you remember in the beginning, I've showed you, I clicked on the strategy map and it had slightly different types of actions. So for Martingale, we'll have to do that. So I'm gonna populate so as you can see, it's a Martingale strategy, but you can see I've actually created a new open action called Martingale start 0.12. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm adding a 0.1 lot for every reopening positions for both buy and sell signals. So, and then I'm going to reopen, as explained earlier, if the current closing price is 10 pips less than the last buy order price. Similarly, we'll reopen a sell position if the current closing price is 10 pips greater than the last sell order price. All right, so, and then lastly, we will close all positions. Take profit $30, stop loss is $500. Okay. So let's go to actions, because that's where we'll see. So action, let's go to the open. Let's see what we have done here. So you can see I've already created that view. So what this open action is doing is it's open on a Martingale strategy starting with 0.1 lot and increasing by multiples of 2. So basically it's saying 0.2, 0.3, and so forth. So each count is 10. Lot size is multi-lot. You select the multi-lot here. And then is 0.1. Interval is 2. So this is basically what you need to do. Okay, in order to create this specific type of action for open action in this case. So again, each count has to be 10, and then the lot size starts with 0.1 lot, and the intervals are 2, multiples of 2. All right, let's go to the close action. Okay, explained earlier, we have the take profit of 30, stop loss of $500. So click on the take profit at 30 pips. So it will close all trades, open or sell after taking profit at 30 pips, and then we'll close all positions if the total loss amounts to 500. Alright, so guys, that's it. Close open after taking profit 30 pips or stop loss of 500. Click on edit to save it. So finally we go back to algorithm page again to view what we have done altogether. Alright, so view, so we are opening, we're using this Martingale strategy, starts with 0.1 and doubles every multiples of 2 for every new positions. We reopen the positions when for buy when the current price is 10 pips less than the last buy order price. Sell, we reopen a sell position when the current price is 10 pips greater than the last sell order price, and then take profit after 30 pips and stop loss of $500. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the webinar, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at info@fxdropbox, or you can also choose to go and train yourself through this trading manual. We're continuously adding new examples to this trading manual. So again, you click on the question button right here on the admin or on the login, or you can choose to also visit us at our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/fxdropbox. Okay, I don't know why. youtube.com/fxdropbox. It will normally take you to the page. We just have a very slow internet today. Alright, so you guys just jot that down, and please feel free to, we're continuously adding 1 to 2 videos per week. Thank you and have a great day.